So I'm not gonna lie, I'm like extremely happy to be here. I've wanted to be here ever since I saw it on a PBS documentary as a kid. I mean, for some people coming to China, they want to see the Great Wall. That's like the be all to end all of China for them. For me, it was the stone forest in Shilin, and I could not be more pleased. This place really does live up to my expectations. When I first got here, it was very crowded. There was like vendors where they were selling food and stuff, and I was a little disappointed. I was like, please tell me the whole place isn't like that. But the more I explored and I went through some like real narrow areas where I had to squeeze just to fit through the walkway, I've gotten to some very secluded places. I sent my drone up and I realized just how remote some of the areas out here are. I even found a little shack where a homeless person is living. I got a picture of that. And you really could get lost out here. The walkways are winding and go in a lot of different directions. And all in all, 10/10. This is one of my favorite places that I've ever been, let alone as far as just China is concerned.